Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.1 question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Right? Here you can solve this problem in this way, that is amount withdrawal amount withdrawal if amount withdrawal is represented by a negative integer, that means minus rupees 1642. Therefore, how will you represent the amount deposited? Therefore, you can say that amount deposited can be represented as amount deposited can be represented as plus rupees 2000. Right? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Therefore, after the withdrawal, after the withdrawal Mohan's balance is equal to rupees 2000 minus 1642. Right? If we subtract this number, we are getting, that is, if we subtract it, that is 2000 minus 1642, it is 8. Carry 1, it is 8, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5, carry 1, 6 1 7, 3 10, carry 1 1 2, 3 58. Right? Therefore, the balance is rupees 358. Right? That's the question. That means amount withdrawal, if amount withdrawal be represented by negative integer, that is minus 1642, therefore amount deposited will be represented by plus 2000. Right? Then what bind the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal? Therefore, after the withdrawal, the Mohan's balance will be rupees 2000 minus rupees 1642, that is rupees 358. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.